Hey everyone, it's Sammy from the Gliffy team at Perforce Software, and I don't necessarily have a tip for you today, but I want to make sure that you know about our Resource Center. If you are one of our cloud customers for Gliffy, you'll see this light bulb in the lower right of your diagram editor, and this is the Resource Center. When you click on it, it's got some core use cases. So these primarily link out to blog posts. The Gliffy blog is an awesome resource of different types of diagrams that you can easily create in Gliffy. It's got step-by-step instructions and examples and sometimes even templates that you can tap into. So check these out if you ever need to make a new type of diagram and just want a little bit of 101 education. We also have quick links, so if you need to reach out to our support team, you want to subscribe to our newsletter, or you want to leave us a review on the Atlassian Marketplace, those links live right here under our quick links panel. We've got video tutorials, and these are great because they launch a video right here in the editor. You don't even have to hop over to our YouTube channel to see what's going on. So we'll be putting popular video tutorials in this space. And then last, we have announcements. What's new with Gliffy? Whenever we do a major product release, we will post an announcement here, and you'll see a little red icon. So this is a great way to stay up to date. Check out the Resource Center next time you're making a diagram.